class 3. Welcome back to your e-learning math class. So student, in our previous video, on the last video, we learned a little bit more about cuboid, isn't it? So today we will learn the another solid shapes. Not one. Today we will learn two. Now those are cube and cylinder. Now start with the cube. Now student, in your composite book on page number 250 and 251, on those two pages you can see that there are picture of cube and cylinder. Now already I have drawn the picture cuboid, so I know so open your copy and draw the cube first. I know that you know that how to draw a cube, that first you have to draw a square and then after that, isn't it? So what is the basic difference between cube and cuboid? Cuboid is made of rectangles, isn't it? And cube is made of squares. Now what is a perfect example for the cube? Let me show you. So student, can you see what is this? Yes, it is a dice. It's a Ludo dice. Now student, in a Ludo dice, this is a Ludo dice, and you know that all the sides are square, isn't it? It's a look like a sugar cube, isn't it? Sugar cube, or the chalk box, so those are also look like a cube, isn't it? So the things that first the things we will learn that how many faces a cube has. So first we discuss about face. So how many faces we have? We have one face, isn't it? And what about the cube? Now see student, in a Ludo dice, you know that there are 6 points. 1, 2, first is 1 put means 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 and then 6. That means 6 numbers, 6 sides are there, means 6 faces are there. So the number of faces is 6. Okay, the number of faces is 6. Now student, after number of face, we will count that how many vertex they have. Vertex or corners. Okay. Vertex. So see, 1. Here I am showing you. See the joints are 1, 2. Not this one. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many vertices are there? 8. Now how many sides or hand or edge? How many edges? Means how many hands? Now see, 1 hand, 2 hand. Okay? Then 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hand, 4 hand. After 4 hand, this is 5 hand, this is 6 hand. This is 7 hand, 8 hand, 9 hand, 10 hand, 11 hand, 12 hand. See, all the sides we make the 12. So 12 edges it has. Now what are the examples of cube? There are so many. Ice cube, then after the chalk box, Ludo dice, and then after the sugar cubes. All are the example of cube. Okay. Now number 2, what I am drawing. Let's see. So take your ruler, draw it there better. Now just measure that whether the sides are same. Yeah, it's same. It's become little bit big. So, okay. Now I am do like this. Can you guess what is this? Yes, this is cylinder. Okay, on the top I am writing, okay? This Y A by N T A. See the cylinder. Now, what are the example of cylinder? Obviously, water pipe, isn't it? Water pipe, tube light, water tank, then after that your pen, those are the example of cylinder. Now see, I have bring one thing for you. This is also look like a cylinder, isn't it? This is the sellotape. So see, this is also a look like a cylinder, isn't it? See, it also having a round circular shape on the bottom and also on the top, and also look like a pipe here. Now see student, those face, this face, this is a face of the cylinder, and this is also a face of a cylinder, and this is also. Now what are those called? So this top and bottom face are called plane. I mean they are not curved. Plane, plane face. And here it is also plane face. But this one is curved face. Okay? Now, here also we will write down that how many faces a cylinder has. So, number 2, face. So, how many face? 3. But here we should mention 2 plain face and 1 curved face. Okay. Now, after face it is vertex. Now see student here, that can you see any corner here? Can you see any corner here? See student, can you see any corner here? No, na? So, there is no corner, means 0 corner. Now edges. Edges means sides. Now see, those are circle and it is also circle. Can you remember student that a circle has how many sides? On that time we usually write it has one curved side. Curved means one circular side. So here also see there are 2 circles, isn't it? So it has also 2 you can write down circular edges. Okay. So the concept will be clear. The how many edges? There are 2 circular edges. Okay. So no vertex and faces are 3, 2 plain and 2, 1 curved. So on the next video we will we will learn sphere and cone. That's all for today, student. I hope that you understand.